Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to give thanks to Ravi, sir, who has made me able to speak English. So, thank you so much, sir. I am here today to speak what is more important, beauty or talent. So, I think that the talent is more important than beauty because beauty is only nine days wonder, and if we have talent, so talent will with us for a long time. And talent if we have talent, so we can do anything. And if we have beauty, so beauty can only for drama. And I want to give example of Cristiano Ronaldo is a footballer of Portugal international football team. He worked as a scrap man, but now he has become a successful person in his life. And he have talent, that's why he has talent, that's why he has become a footballer. And I want to give example of Virat Kohli belongs to a middle family, and his father named Prem Kohli. He worked as a criminal lawyer, and Virat Kohli completed only 12th from Vishal Bharti Inter College now. And he played his debut match from Delhi versus Tamil Nadu, and he scored only 10 runs. And after few days his father expired, and he played another match, Delhi versus Karnataka, so he scored 90 runs. Then he started playing in Ranji Trophy. And I want to give example of Jeff Bezos. He is the owner of Amazon and Blue Origin company, and he is the richest person in this world. And Jeff Bezos lived in a small room on rent, and he worked as a waiter in McDonald's restaurant. And he has become successful person because of his talent. So I think that the talent is more important than beauty.
Okay. So, Vishesh, in which class do you study?
I study in class 6.
What do you wanna be?
I wanna be a judge
Why do you wanna be a judge?
because it's my father's dream, that's why I wanna be a judge.
Okay. So, where do you study?
I study from Soni Pari Inter College.
Okay. What about your father? What is he doing?
My father is a lawyer.
And Vishesh, how are you feeling after joining Go Work Academy?
I am feeling very well.
Did you used to speak English before joining Go Work Academy?
I didn't used to speak English before joining Gover Academy.
Speak something about Go Work Academy.
Gover Academy is for personality development and English for English language. And Ravi sir teaches in Gover Academy. He is the founder of Gover Academy.
Okay. How many siblings have you got?
I have two siblings. My both siblings are elder to me. They are my brothers.
What about your weaknesses?
My weaknesses are I can't say no when someone asks for help, and I trust on people very quickly.
What about your strength?
My strength are I'm self motivated, and I'm disciplined person, and I have positive attitude toward the things.
Very good. And Vishesh, how many hours do you study?
I study around 2 hours.
Okay. How long do you take to come here from your home?
About 5 minutes I take to come here.
Okay. How do you come here?
I come here by foot.
On foot.
On foot.
Okay. Can you ride the bike?
I cannot ride the bike.
Do you wanna ride the bike?
I want to ride the bike.
Do you wanna consume liquor?
I don't want to consume liquor.
Do you wanna speak?
Yes,
English?
I want to speak English.
What is the importance of English?
English is an international language. The speaking English in every corner in this world.
Okay. Okay. So, what sector? If you don't want to become a judge, then what do you want to join? What do you want to join? Government sector or private sector?
I want to join government sector
Why do you want to join government sector?
because in the government sector has more income than private sector.
Okay, income. But I think so that in private sector you can earn. There is no limit in private sector. Okay, you don't know. So Vishesh, tell me something about your childhood.
I was very naughty in my childhood, like other childrens, and I used to play many games like kho, cricket, and many more.
Okay. Did you used to fly the kites?
Yes, I used to fly the kites.
Okay. Do you speak English in your school?
I speak in English in my school.
With who do you speak English with?
I speak English with my teachers.
Okay. How many teachers are there?
About 30 teachers.
Who is the principal of your school?
His name Sanjeev Paria, and my principal ma'am name is Mrs. Kalpana Rajada.
Okay. How many teachers are there in your school?
About 30 teachers.
Can you please tell me the name of your all the teachers?
No, sir.
You don't know.
Yes, sir. I only know my classes teacher.
Okay. Please tell the name of your classes teacher.
Akansha ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Shelly ma'am, and Praful sir.
Okay. Praful sir, what is he teaching? Praful sir.
Praful sir teaches Hindi second.
Hindi second. Okay. And what teacher do you like the most in your school?
I like the most Dheeraj sir.
Dheeraj sir. What subject does he teach?
He teaches math.
He teaches.
He teaches.
Does he beat you?
He doesn't beat me.
Okay. What was your score in last exam?
Uh,
What percentage did you get in fifth in fifth?
I got about 96%.
96%. This is okay. What position are you capturing in your class?
I captured second division.
Who was the first?
My cousin.
Okay. What is he doing?
He is studying in class 6
He
with
and
me.
she.
She is studying in class
She is
6.
your sister. She is your classmate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can she speak English?
She can speak English.
Okay. Can she speak better than you?
No, she can't speak better than me.
Okay. How are you improving your English?
I am improving my English by following Ravi sir's steps.
Okay. And what is the value of English?
English is very good language, and English speaker of English in every corner of this world, and English is an international language.
Okay. Do you want to meet Prime Minister?
I want to meet Prime Minister.
Okay. How do you go to your school?
I go to my school on foot.
Okay. And what about, will you go to school tomorrow?
I will go to school tomorrow.
Okay. What time will you go to school tomorrow?
I will go to school tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay. How many classes do you attend there?
I attend 8
How many
classes.
students are there in your school?
About 500 students are coming.
Okay. And please say something about your principal.
My principal name is Mr. Sanjeev Paria, and he also works as a lawyer,
Okay.
and he works with my father,
Okay.
and he is very good principal and lawyer. He is very polite man, and he is know what is the value of time.
He knows.
He knows what is the value of time.
Okay. Very good. Say something about your father.
My father name is Mr. Gautam Singh Verma. My father work as a lawyer, and my father is a very good person, and he teaches me social chapters, and
Who is your best friend?
my best friend is Kabir.
Kabir. Say something about Kabir.
Kabir is studying in 9th,
Okay.
and
But you are studying in 6th and you are studying in 6th and your friend is studying in 9th.
yes sir,
There is a gap of 3 years.
yes sir.
What is the reason you are making friends, okay, who are elder than you?
He is living in front of me.
Okay, in front of your house.
Yes sir.
Okay. Kabir.
Yeah.
Okay, so why do you like only Kabir?
Because he is very good boy, and he don't do bad activities.
doesn't.
He doesn't do bad activities.
Okay. And in which school does he study?
He study in Army Public School.
studies.
He studies in Army Public School.
Okay. Can he speak English?
He can speak English something.
Something. Can he speak English better than you?
No, he can't speak English better than me.
Will you insist him on joining Go Work Academy?
Yeah, I will insist him on joining Go Academy.
Okay. So what do you think? Will he speak English? Will he be able to speak English after joining our academy?
Yeah, he will be able to speak English after joining our academy.
Okay. And how many months have you completed in Go Work Academy?
I have completed about 2.5 months.
Okay. Will you celebrate farewell party?
Yes, I will celebrate farewell party.
Okay. So guys, his name is Vishesh. ठीक है. And he is trying to speak English. और विशेष ने से मैंने काफी क्वेश्चंस किए, काफी अप डाउन क्वेश्चंस किए मैंने, देन और काफी अच्छा विशेष का इम्प्रूवमेंट था. ठीक है. तो विशेष काफी अच्छी बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो विशेष प्लीज लीव इट हियर. विशेष टेल मी what is the importance of time?
Time is very important because if we have time and talent, so we can solve our problem and we can do higher.
Time is more important and money is more important.
Time is more important than money.
But you know that many people, they have time but they don't have money. What do you want to say? If they have time and they don't have money, how they are not able to survive? They don't have time. They have time but they don't have money.
So I think that they don't have money, so they have time, so they do something for earn money.
Okay. Harkesh, please go there, and if I tell you to stop this video, please stop it. So Vishesh. So what is more important, like online study and offline study?
I think that the offline study is better than online study.
Okay. Why?
Because offline study teacher pay attention on his students, and online study he can't do.
Okay. Do you take online classes?
No, I don't take.
Did you used to take online classes in coronavirus period?
Yes, I used to take online classes in coronavirus period.
Okay. So now have you started going to your school?
Yes, I have started going to my school.
Okay. And what subject do you like the most?
I like the most English.
Why do you like English the most?
Because English is an international language.
Okay, language, and you like English most. Okay. And you also want to become a judge.
Yeah.
How many hours do you study?
I study around 2 hours.
2 hours. How many hours do you play?
I play around 2 hours.
Okay, what game do you like to play?
I like to play cricket.
Cricket. Who do you play cricket with?
My friends played cricket with me.
Okay. So Vishesh ने guys 2.5 months complete किए हैं. So now he is able to give all the answers. So you play cricket with your friends. Who is Ans?
Ansh is my friend. Ansh is studying in class 5th from RS International Education Center, and he is also attending Go Academy classes.
Okay. So where is Ans today?
Ansh has gone to his school.
Okay. Can you speak fluent English?
I can speak fluent English.
Throughout the day?
No, sir.
If I tell you speak throughout the day English, what is the problem? Because you are speaking English. If I tell you whenever you meet me, then speak in English only, then are you able to speak English?
Yes, I am able to speak English.
Okay. So Vishesh, how many brothers have you got?
I have 2 brothers.
What they are doing?
My first brother is in inter. He has completed his polytechnic. He has completed his polytechnic, and my second brother is studying in BSc.
He is studying.
He is studying in BSc.
From where is he studying?
He is studying from.
He is studying.
He is studying from Babu Singh Degree College.
Babu Singh Degree College. Can he speak English, your elder brother?
No, he can't speak English.
Will you insist him on joining Go Work Academy?
Yes, I will insist him on joining our academy.
Because English is very necessary. Because if he wants to make his career, then English is very necessary. Because without English, the life is empty. I think so that.
Yes, sir.
Without English, because this is a competition time, and you know that privatization is coming in. This privatization, in private companies, we need to speak in English, because all the interviews will be conducted in English only. So. Does he go to his school, your eldest brother?
No, sir, he doesn't go to his
How
school.
does he pass his time?
He goes to his coaching.
Okay.
And spend his time on mobile.
Okay.
And
what
do
about
study.
your uncle? What is he doing?
My uncle my uncle is a teacher. He is teaching in Mohammadabad.
Okay, very good. So I think so that is enough. I have asked so many questions to Vishesh, and he has given the answer very smoothly. And he's trying to speak English. Definitely, he will become a good person in his life. And my well wishes is always with him. So guys, please stop this video now.